Fresh. God, that was like 32 years ago. Can you believe that? 32 years? 32 years has gone by. That's a long time. But sometimes it feels like 32 minutes, doesn't it? It just goes by like that. Anyway, when Randy was killed in that plane crash, it was tragic. And Brad stepped in and filled those mighty big shoes and toured all over the rest of the USA with Ozzy. Finished up the tour with Ozzy. Then they went over to Europe, went over to England, played all over in England. Then they went over to Japan, played Australia, played Hawaii. That was a world tour, wasn't it, Brad?
That's what they call it, Jeff.
That was a world. Then he came back and did the Speak of the Devil album in New York City, and then he flew right back right after that record and came right back in, and we made our first record, the Dawn Patrol record. That was great.
Yeah, that's pretty cool because both records were released the same week in October 1982. And Rudy Sarzo quit Ozzy, went with Quiet Riot. I quit Ozzy, came back to Night Ranger, and here I am 32 years later. I call it job security.